Hi, and welcome to Anne-Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy, then you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. Well, today, this is my hashtag Friday Sews video. It usually contains a forum topic and what's happening around the workshop. So, forum topic first. First of all, hashtag Friday Sews is a Facebook creator group created initially by Jenny Weissner. So if you wanted to go over to Facebook and find this group and join up if you're a creator and you'd like to share in that way. The topic this week is, what is your favorite animal print and what fabric do you like to see it in? Now, I have to admit, I really didn't see myself as really an animal print girl, but I do notice that I have a couple of pieces of cheetah, one in a tank dress that I got from Walmart, and one in a beautiful skirt that I got from Lane Bryant that I still have to this day. But I think my favorite animal print is zebra or tiger, whichever way you want to see it. And it's in this taffeta from this Merchant & Mills vest I made. And it's funny, this kind of has a cheetah look to it. I didn't notice it before, but to see it in full effect in this skirt, this reversible skirt I made, I have to admit that this flocked stripe on this glowing copper colored taffeta, it is my all-time favorite. It's flocked. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm gonna go with tiger, or if this is zebra, I'm not exactly sure, but whatever this is, it's my favorite. Now, as for what's been going on around the workshop, there's been some really sedate, really nice things going on and some ridiculousness. So get prepared for both. Okay, for the first thing, I'm working on this Rachel Comey top or blouse. I can't figure it out yet. Top or blouse. And I like it. It has this, this crossover neck sleeve. One thing about a Rachel Comey, there's always going to be something interesting, and I thought this would be a really nice shirt to go over a lot of my pants and things, and it'd be a great travel piece. I'll go more into it on my makes. All right, so that's one thing I finished. Oh, another thing is the Gilbert blouse that I made in this beautiful Ankara. It has a tie in the front, and I have these groovy, I've been dying to use these buttons, guys. I've been dying to use these buttons. So this is the Gilbert blouse by Closet Core, or I'll have to look it up for you. But it just needs the buttons, and I did use that rainbow bias tape for the armhole. But this is what the fabric I had left. I had made a jumpsuit with this fabric and it didn't suit, so I ended up gifting that to someone who it really looked cute on. Now, but after that, I've been working on my Everything Everywhere All at Once teddy bear hoodie. What can I say? I just love the look of it in the movie, and I figured out how to do the teddy bears. I think yesterday, I think the video, part one of the video on how to make it came out. I love bombers, I love hoodies, and I love teddy bears. And so it all came together in this costume that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make another one for my son. This is for his wife. And it's going to be a midi. Right now it's full length, but I'm going to cut it shorter. But I'm waiting for the ribbing to come to match this this pink and the big honking zipper and the hood. So I've cut the hood out and everything. I'm just waiting for the other pieces to finish this up. Now I'm also making one for my son, not in the same colors. in this really groovy green and, but one second. I'm making one for my son with the circles and everything like they're in the movie, the bagel. And, but I think I'm making elephants for him. Stay tuned. All right, and so then after that, so the latest thing after that, I'm making the, oh, what dress is this called by Tessuti? Hold on, let me look it up. This is the Harlow shirt by Tessuti. I haven't selected any buttons for it yet, but it has a really interesting finish right here with the pocket over there. It can be worn as a shirt or a jacket. I'm going to use it as both. It doesn't have no fusible interfacing in it, so it's supposed to be kind of soft and cushy. And I've got this beautiful Ankara. I don't remember where I got it from, y'all. Either House of Mami Wata, Dose of Fabric, AliExpress. I gotta track it down, but I just absolutely love this blue and black and this nautilus look, and almost like octopus or squid. I don't know, I just absolutely love it. So I worked on the Harlow shirt for that, and I had enough because it was a 6-yard length. There was enough for a pair of pants, which I use my wonderful McCall's pattern. When I do my makes, I'll give you all that information. And I also cut it out in a shirt. So I just love these colors. All right, I think, is that it? Yeah. So that's it as far as the makes this week. So let's talk about the hauls. Hold on one second. Okay, so my teddy bear hoodie is part of the Recreate the Look challenge, and my other thing is the blouse challenge. And so I heard about a challenge by K Facet, using some of his fabric to make something, and I think it ends in June. I will put the information, the hashtag below, and I'm a big fan. I have made some unbelievable quilts through Mr. Facet's work, so I was intrigued by doing a shirt. I had an idea for a dress, and so the hauls I have to show you have to do with the garment I'm going to create, because I'm going to use some of my quilting techniques as well as one of my favorite dress patterns and the inspiration of this Ankara fabric that I got recently. So I use this as the palette, and so we're going to see now as I open up these fabrics if they suit. Okay, all right, so I chose this one with look like dahlias because of the yellow. See if that will work with it. That's one. Okay, let's see the other one. I can kind of see it with the purples. And here's another one. Yes. And here's the dark. Oh, yes. All right. That's in the same house. That looks good. That looks good. Okay, let's see what the other ones look like. Ooh. This might work too. All right. Ooh, peonies. Oh, I love peonies. Right? Oh, it's gonna be good. Let's see what the last one looks like. You have to have 3 K Facets fabrics in it. So, oh no, of course I cut it on the wrong side. Okay. All right. All right, zinnias, right? Pom-poms it is. Okay, and then this abstract, right? Okay, so let me see if I can show them all to you so you can see where I was kind of going with this. I needed a little yellow and purple in there, and then some dark, and then the black and white. And I have some other fabrics also to make this outfit, this dress. And this is what I was inspired by. Oh, I think it's gonna be fabulous. If not, it's okay. It's okay, it's just a chance to use your brain. And I have wanted to use an effect that I had placed on this jacket. Hold on. This jacket's from a long, long time ago. But this wheel on the back, I'd like to recreate and do again. And so that's why I bought all those fabrics by Kate. Only like a yard or a half a yard of them. And so we'll see how that turns out. Okay, everyone, this is my Friday sews. I have had a great time this week, and I'm enjoying this time of my life when I get to sew what I want, when I want it, and for who I want to sew for. And so I'm hoping you're having the same thing happening in your life, no matter how small the increment of time is that you're getting to sew to fill your artistic spirit. All right, happy Friday. Keep sewing with joy, and we'll see you next week.